plow. Here you have the full affect of us. Into the buffeting storm. Okay, we've started the fine plow tuck. You can see the wind buffeting. Like I say, we're on the east side of the forest, or the west side of the forest. But we will soon be driving east and see what kind of a howling banshee of a day we have out there, where when it blows I must plow drifts at least every hour to keep the road open. Entering the plow truck, you can see our generator. This is a little Honda job for portable power should we have a problem. We have humidity inside, big humidity. Our truck is equipped with one white windshield wiper. We are entering, and off we go. Turning on the plow so the right light is on, raising it slightly to get going. And dropping it. Hi-ho, we're plowing now. A little bit of slippery there. Plows digging into the fresh earth, and now we're moving out from the forest into the first field. Here's the first little field. We're still protected, but we're going east. Soon we're probably going to get quite a bit of wind. Road is a mile up, hit some roots, kaboom, crash, and onward through the storm. This is great fun in the dark. Oh, it's great fun right now. You see the wind blowing on the buffeting on the trees, and now we're starting to get out into the howling wind. And it's not even really howling yet. We're going to deposit some of this snow straight ahead. Now we're going to reverse. Not too bad really yet. I expected worse. But you can see it starting to blow. It was blowing more. This will drift in. Oh, 3 feet deep in an hour. At least when it's howling. And off we go, dropping the plow. Now these are big drifts on the side, that's why we're getting all this stuff. Sometimes it becomes difficult to see, it's like you're flying blind. Out to the main road here, and in a moment some of that will clear. Well, wasn't that exciting, and the wind's not even really howling yet. That's what's fun on Blue View Lane.